It's what?
Construction vehicles.
Construction vehicles? It's Peter B's and James's videos.
It's PB's videos.
And we're going to open up these new mini machines, Caterpillar, construction vehicles that we just found at Target. And
Target.
yeah, James is so excited. Right? You excited?
Yeah, so excited.
Okay, let's see how we get these open.
Yay! Right.
How many do we have?
A dump truck.
There's a dump truck?
Dump out.
It dumps out? What does it dump out?
Truck.
Oh, okay. We'll have to test it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll have to test it out. All right, ready? Let's count them. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 trucks.
Let's drive it.
You want to drive them? What's this one?
A front loader.
A front loader? This big bucket? Here, you can take the front loader.
Okay, dump
What's this
truck.
one? A bulldozer?
Dump truck.
Oh, you stole the dump truck, huh? And what's this one?
Excavator.
That's an excavator. And what's this one?
A backhoe.
That's a backhoe. How'd you know that's a backhoe? You're so smart.
It's a big dump truck.
Yeah, big dump truck. So now, what do we have? We have a big pit, and we're going to fill it with dirt.
Put it back to the dump truck. Put it back to the dump truck.
You're going to put it in the back of the dump truck?
Yeah.
And when it goes backwards, what does it sound like? Beep, beep, beep. And he dumps. Here, take them. That's the package. Shows all the kinds that comes with. It's got the dump truck, the excavator, wheel loader, backhoe, and bulldozer. Pretty cool, huh?
It's different ones.
Different ones. How many different ones?
2.
5. We counted them, you silly goose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
You're so silly. All right, look at that. Look at that. Awesome construction site we have. With all this cool dirt. Right?
Just back up.
Oh, what are we doing? Ready? I'll be the bulldozer. Let me bulldoze some of this dirt out of the way.
I'm digging. Put in the dump truck.
You're digging it into the dump truck? Let me see. Where's the dump truck?
Beep, beep, beep.
Oh, wow. And let's see. What's this one again? What did you say this was?
Excavator.
An excavator. Oh, it's digging into its bucket. Look at all that dirt in the bucket. Where's the dump truck? I gotta fill the dump truck. Where is it? Bring it over here so I can fill it with my scooper.
Go too. Heavy.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh. I'm scooping. And I'm going to bring it back over to this cool dump truck. And now I'm going to bloop, put it in there. Okay. Look at that.
All done.
All done. All right, dump the dump truck. Come on, let's dump the dump truck. Okay, dump it out. Dump it out. Yeah. Awesome. He needs more? I think we need to break this up. This is kinetic sand. So it sticks to itself, which is a lot easier to play with, right, than regular dirt when you're in the house. Here comes the front loader. Okay. Lifting up that bucket of dirt. He wants to put it in the dump truck. Oops, dump truck fell over. Beep, 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 beep. Good job, guys. Let's do that again. Oop. Oh, thank you, James.
Thank you. I'm James backhoe.
You're the backhoe, huh?
James backhoe.
It's James's backhoe? Ooh. Fell right over. I'll put it back in. I really like this dump truck. It's so cool. Ooh. Oh.
More.
Thank you. Ready? Beep, beep, beep. What do we have?
Different.
Did we try? Let's try the bulldozer. Let's just push this stuff out of the way. Push it out of the way. Smush. Push it out of the way. Smush, smush, smush. Wow. He's good at pushing. Yeah. Wow, this is fun. Oh, what is this? The backhoe? Did you use the backhoe?
Back bucket.
The back bucket? Did you use it?
No.
Did you try it? Does it work? It does work. Look, it scoops. Put the little dirt in there. Bloop. Scoop it up. Scoop up the dirt and then drop it out.
Dump truck. Big dump truck.
Okay, let's scoop it and put it in the big dump truck.
Biggest.
Okay. Bloop. Okay, I scoop. Look at that dirt in that dump truck. Whoa.
Get some more.
Get some more.
And big bucket. And big giant bucket.
Who's got the big giant bucket?
Backhoe.
The backhoe, let me see. Let me see the front bucket. Wow,
It's
it
biggest.
is big. And look, he can tilt it up and carry so he doesn't drop it, right? And then he dumps it into the back of the dump truck.
Dump it out.
So the dump truck can bring it somewhere else and dump it out. That is so cool. So how many trucks do we have? No, 2. Let's try them again. Ready? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 construction vehicles. Drive them.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, construction vehicle. I'm making a mess with my dirt. What color are they?
Brown.
Brown, or the dirt is brown. What color are the trucks?
Yellow.
Yellow. The bright color is yellow. And what color is this?
Black.
Black. Yeah, so they're yellow and black. And what color is our construction site? The construction site. What color is this?
Red.
Red. We're in a red construction site.
Digging.
And we're digging. What color is the dirt? What color is it?
Tiny browns.
It's little tiny browns. Yeah. It's brown with little sparkles.
Dig it out.
Oh, you digging? You dig. Dig that dirt. Dig it. Oh, good job, buddy. Good job. I'm going to bulldoze.
Heavy.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I think you need to dump that dump truck. Boop. Oh, good job.
The house.
Oh, we're going to build a house? Or are they digging a swimming pool? Are they digging for the swimming pool?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's a swimming pool.
A little swimming pool? Or a big one?
Big one.
A big one? Okay, that's cool.
Get some more dirt.
Get some more dirt? Go ahead, pick up some more dirt. Alrighty, I'm going to bulldoze it.
Dump truck.
Let me see that dump truck. Love him. We have one dump truck, right? One little dump truck.
Big dump truck.
He's big?
He's a big backhoe.
And a big backhoe? I don't think they're that big. I think they're little.
You're not little.
They're not little?
The biggest.
They're big? If you say so, my love.
The biggest.
He's the biggest? I
Biggest.
think we have bigger ones, but that's okay.
I know bigger ones.
So what does this say? Do you know what that says on there?
Caterpillar.
It says cat for caterpillar because these are Caterpillar construction vehicles. That's the company that builds these types of construction vehicles. It's called Caterpillar.
Back up. Hey, my sister.
Which one is that?
Backhoe.
That's the backhoe. Why is that a backhoe? Why is that a backhoe? Because it has this bucket in the back, right? It's got a bucket in the front and a bucket in the back. So that's why that's the backhoe. Right?
Okay.
And what is this one called?
A front loader.
A front loader. Because all the dirt gets loaded up in the front bucket. What else does this get called?
Front bucket.
But could this also be a skid steer?
No.
No, it's not a skid steer?
That's the steer.
Oh, we have a skid steer inside, right? Well, he's too big for this. Okay. And this is a bulldozer. Right? Look, and he has treads instead of regular tires.
Has regular tires on.
He's got treads. And this one, what is this one?
Excavator.
An excavator. An excavator can dig really deep in the ground, right? Really, really deep. So if he was going under, he can go really far under. Dig really, really deep.
Dump truck.
The dump truck delivers dirt or gravel or different kinds of things to a site. And it dumps it out. Come on, bring it this way so we can see it. Beep, 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 beep. Ready? You dump it out. I'll hold it. You dump it.
No, just this way.
You want to dump it that? Oh, you want to dump it into the big pile of dirt? There we go. Dump, dump, dump. Very good.
Just some more.
Which one is your favorite?
No, hello.
Hello. Oh, you want to say hello? Who's going to say hello? Hello. I am, what am I, an excavator? I am Elliot the excavator. What's your name?
I'm digging.
You're digging, but what's your name?
Backhoe.
Backhoe? Are you Billy the backhoe?
I'm Backy.
Blackie the backhoe?
I'm James.
You're James. I know you're James.
I'm James Backhoe.
Oh, James the backhoe. Oh, the backhoe's name is James? What about the bulldozer? What's the bulldozer's name?
Mommy.
Mommy! Mommy! I'm the bulldozer!
Her name is Daddy.
Daddy bulldozer. Okay, Daddy could be the bulldozer.
Push out.
Yeah, I'll push it around. I'll push it around. I could push Daddy around. I'm good at that. Really?
No dirt.
Okay. And what about the front loader? Who's the front loader? What's his name?
Mommy.
Oh, I get to be the front loader? I guess that makes sense. Which one is Peter? Peter's the excavator?
Peter's excavator.
Oh, and who's the dump truck?
James.
No, James was the backhoe.
James dump truck.
James dump truck? What about the backhoe? I thought James was the backhoe. Now you're confusing me. Who's the backhoe then?
James.
James is the backhoe and the dump truck? Wow. What about Grandma?
Grandma's dump truck and excavator.
Oh, Grandma's the dump truck and the excavator. You're so funny. Here's a big, big rock.
Dump it out.
Oh, you dumped out my rock. Look, I like kinetic sands because you can squish it and squish it and squish it and make it into little shapes. And you can pretend it's a little rock. There's another rock.
Dump it out.
You gonna dump out my rocks? I'm making good rocks here. Dumped out my rocks. Look at all my beautiful rocks.
I squashed it.
You squashed it! You squashed my rock!
Look at the crush it.
Ah! You crushed my rock.
No, just dirt.
Just dirt. Well, now it's dirt. You squashed my rock.
Just digging with the excavator.
I'm digging it with the excavator.
Okay.
All right. So which one is your favorite?
Hello.
Hello. But which one is your favorite? Which one do you like the best?
Hello.
Hello. Which one do you like the best?
Hello. It's BB's video.
How about like our videos and subscribe?
No.
Why no?
Hello.
Hello. But why don't we say like our videos and subscribe?
No, that's so silly.
Why-
Just thinking.
That's not stinky. We want them to like our videos. Which one do you like?
Hello.
Hello. Which one do you like the best?
BB's videos.
Okay, Mommy likes the dump truck the best.
No.
You don't like the dump truck the best? Ooh, if I do this, will it make cool tracks in the dirt? Let's see.
Excavator.
Excavator.
Digging rocks.
He digs the rocks. Okay. Which one is your favorite? Is it the excavator?
No.
Which one is it? Which one do you like?
Backhoe.
The backhoe's your favorite? Ah, I like the backhoe too.
No.
But I think the dump truck is my favorite because I like to fill it up. I like to fill it up and dump it out. That's my favorite.
Digs.
Yeah? Could we say like our videos and subscribe?
No.
Please.
Let's try.
Like our videos and subscribe.
Let's try.
Come visit again soon.
Let's get soon.
You're so cute.
Hello.
Hello. You say like our videos and subscribe?
Let's try.